In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Twitter account. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. So first, open up the Twitter application and then hit at your profile picture. Now here, scroll down for a bit and get into Settings and Privacy. Next, tap at your account. And here you can find Deactivate Your Account feature. Just tap here and there you can read what deactivation actually is. When your account is deactivated, your display name, username and public profile will no longer be viewable on twitter.com, on iOS and on Android as well. And you can always restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. And you can read here more information about it if you want. And next, scroll down for a bit and hit on Deactivate. There you have to confirm your password, and after that just hit here at Deactivate button and then hit on Yes, Deactivate. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.